Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a really easy Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to start with one of their signs and one of just a metal bucket. You could get a Halloween sign if you can find one. I couldn't, so I'm actually going to make my own. And I was going for a vintage Halloween look, and I found these great little rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree with like vintage black cats and jack-o'-lanterns and such. And all I'm doing is cutting them into individual pieces and attaching them. All you have to do is scrape them on. Just make sure they are good and down before you take off your transfer paper. But it was so easy to do. I want to cover like most of the front with different creatures here, just kind of whatever will fit. And it's going to make it look super spooky. I guess kind of cute, not spooky for Halloween. And I thought this would go really great with that Halloween sign that I found and make it a standing sign in a bucket. So something that would be good like an entryway at a table or something like that, or out for the trick-or-treaters to show them the way. This is the sign. I just take some twine and tie it into a little bow just to cover the hanger hole on it because I don't need that. And then I just need something to stake it with. I'm using one of the Dollar Tree wooden rulers. It's going to be just the right size. So I attach a little hot glue here to the back. If you're doing it for outdoors, you might want to staple it on to make it a little bit sturdier or use a stronger glue. I do want it to kind of blend in and be black and spooky down here, so I do go back and paint the ruler. I probably should have done that before I attached it to the sign, but I was able to still paint it. And now all I have to do is find a way to weigh it down. Dollar Tree has these great black stones that are perfect for Halloween. They are going to be the filler, weigh it down, and they kind of go with the creepy black Halloween decor. This is how it turned out. If you'd like more Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.